Welcome everyone. Today, we are going to tell you the exciting and quick-thinking story of the monkey and the crocodile. Once upon a time, a happy little brown monkey lived in a beautiful, tall tree right on the edge of a wide river. The tree was always full of the sweetest, juiciest red apples. One day, a green crocodile swam by. They started talking and quickly became best friends. Every afternoon, the generous monkey would pick the best apples and throw them down for the crocodile to eat. The crocodile took some apples home to his wife. She loved them, but she was wicked. If the monkey eats these sweet apples every day, his heart must be delicious. "I want to eat his heart," she demanded. The crocodile felt terrible, but he listened to his wife. The next day, he swam to the tree and told the monkey, "My wife loved the apples and invites you for dinner. Hop on my back." The monkey was thrilled. He had never been across the river before. He happily leaped onto the crocodile's scaly back, and they swam out into the deep, swirling water. When they were far from the shore, the crocodile felt guilty and confessed, "I am sorry, my friend. I am taking you to my wife so she can eat your heart." The monkey was terrified, but he thought fast. "Oh dear," he said calmly. "Why didn't you tell me? Us monkeys take our hearts out and keep them safely inside the hollow of the tree." "We must go back and get it," the monkey said. The foolish crocodile believed him immediately. He quickly turned around and swam as fast as he could back to the riverbank. As soon as they reached the shore, the monkey leaped high into the highest branches of his tree, safe at last. He never spoke to the crocodile again. Remember, my friends, the learning of this story is, presence of mind can save you from danger.